Cook the thing. Chicken Buldak Carbonara Ramen. I'm using leftovers from the soya chicken recipe. Link in the description. Feel free to use any prepared chicken. 2 diced celery sticks. 2 diced green onion. Samyang Buldak Carbonara Ramen. Bring 2.5 cups of water to boil. Add noodles. Add celery. Add half of the green onion. After 6 minutes, remove from heat and carefully drain the water. Leave a small amount of water for the carbonara packet. Add the packet and stir. Add the spicy packet if you like spicy. I like spicy. Stir the spicy. Transfer to bowl. Add the chicken on top. Add the other half of the green onion on top. Enjoy the spicy. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.